Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock GD-350. Okay, now first, let's make sure you are in the timekeeping mode, and yeah, it will look like this. But if not, you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitch beeping sound, that one. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, and it will look like this, UTC, and then there's some number here. So you will need to set this one to the UTC of your location. If you're not sure, you can check Google, or I will also put a link in the description for you to check the UTC of your location. Okay, you can change the number here by pressing this one, the reverse button or the forward button. Reverse button will decrease by 15 minutes and the forward button will increase by 15 minutes. And because my location is UTC +7, so I will use this one. Okay, now press the mode button, and now we are setting the daylight saving. You can use the forward button to change the value, so this one is on and this one is off. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the time format. You can use the forward button to change on or off. So this one, yes, this one is 12-hour format and this one is 24-hour format. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the second. For the second, if it is 30 or more, we can reset and it will add a minute. So for example, this one, this is more than 30. And if I press the forward button, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, then it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now let me press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use two buttons. Reverse button to decrease, it's like the counterclockwise. And forward button is increasing, so like this, it's like the clockwise. Okay, and then press the mode button. For the minute, also the same thing. Reverse button will decrease and forward button will increase. Okay, again press the mode button, and now we are setting the year. Also the same thing, reverse button to decrease and forward button to increase. Now press the mode button again and we are setting the month. This one, the reverse button will decrease and forward button will increase. Again mode button, and this is the date. Also the same thing, reverse button will decrease and forward button will increase. Okay, mode button, and now is the key tone. So this one is, if you want to set the watch to the silent or mute button operation, you can press this one, the forward button, and now the button is mute. So if you press the mode button or any button, it will not make any sound. But still for the alarm and then timer and also signal, it will still give a beeping sound. Okay, let me set as normal, this one. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the length of the backlight. So you can select between this one, 3, 5, 1. So 1 meaning 1 second, and then 3 seconds, and 5 seconds. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting this one, the vibration alert or flash alert. So you can select whichever you want. For this one, for the alarm, timer, and also signal, it will give a flashing and beeping. But for this one, it will only give the vibration. Okay, and yeah, let me set as vibration for now. And then press again the mode button, we return to the setting of the UTC or the time zone. And if you're done with the setting, you can press the adjust button, and done for the basic setting of this watch, Casio G-Shock GD-350. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.